Let's get more on oil with Ira Epstein with the division of Linn and Associates. Ira, what are people saying down there as we watch a price action in crude?
Well, today's psychology. You're looking at a stock market let go. That doesn't bode well for energy markets. While the two may not have that much to do with each other, and we are looking at those rig counts, as Brian said, come down, we also have to understand that there's a certain inelasticity for energy. So what we're doing right now is we're seeing mergers, acquisitions in that oil field. People aren't drilling as much as they were. Why not buy a going concern rather than one that you have to drill for? So I think that the trade is looking right now and saying, okay, we're down, but are we getting towards that $50 range where the market should find some support?
Do you think lower oil prices hurt the U.S. economy more than help them right now?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Do you think lower oil prices hurt the U.S. economy more than help it right now?
Well, lower oil prices, let's define lower. A year ago, we were about $7 lower at the beginning of the year. So we've come back quite a bit in the oil prices. So the answer is not, it doesn't hurt it because it puts money in a consumer's pocket. And at the end of the day, as much as we're concerned in America about construction, about manufacturing, that's about 10% of the economy. What really makes up our economy is the consumer. And if the consumer has more gasoline money left at the end of the day, the theory is they'll spend more. So no, I don't think low gasoline prices are really hurting the economy.
All right, so if we have WTI below $53 a barrel today, what are the significant levels to watch from here?
Well, if this market in the stock market can get down, and I'm going to key it off the stock market. So far, the 200-day moving average of closes in the S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ have been able to hold the brakes since August. If this market goes down and finds support there, maybe in this area, $2 lower is where the market will find support. Should you get an acceleration through that and it doesn't hold, why not go back that other $6? So that's what I'm looking at. Right now, I don't want to be a hero, but if I were on the short side of the market, well, I'd be concerned and certainly using very tight stops, trailing the market down.
All right, great stuff, Ira. Just one last thing, because the major headline for crude the last couple of weeks were these attacks on Saudi Arabia, and we've very quickly shrugged that off. It's remarkable. What does that tell you?
Remarkable is an understatement. If you had told anybody that you're going to lose 5% of the world's production potentially, and the market has a one-day rally and gives back everything, I don't think anybody would believe that. So what it tells me is the cartel isn't as strong as it used to be. We're seeing Ecuador leave it, Indonesia's left it. So the question is trying to get Russia and the Saudis together to cut back enough production. And the problem is everybody needs money. They're not cutting back as much as they could.
All right. Again, like you said, at least it's a win for the U.S. consumer, and we'll take it here on a day like this. Ira, appreciate it very much. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for having me.
Ira Epstein.